Kaying raba thawai Lok Sabha kadep phai Electricity Amendment Bill arjar phuai kabalawan ra ekran daga Sorkar India man pratrik nailar arjar phuar shaka Parliamentary Standing Committee hadin belami kijing persya gi bajor tang nakaliang persya henry ni corporation bat bor peniat trat boarding ba fair hakaleng gi jala gari India kacing tumu gani ka bill kalong ban aila di company lani krishmet ban peniat bat pengklan gi kam ki bedai ba boarding electric hagari India hi brok away usumbur menteri rangba ba perstun tonsong beri khmir ketrat kambording electric Sorkar Jylla Mikhlaya ulang bala mencuri kabil kasyong pada kecing start ke Sorkar Jylla daga bakentaj ban kentho alur kabil ulang bala daga dai ker kom trekam ke Sorkar India henry ke Sorkar Jylla kala ban persenge.
Well, I think this is different issue altogether. Maybe yes, their concern is no privatization of all the discom states. And I'm very sure each and every state also, they will not like privatization, because ultimately, the fate of the employees and all. So right now, I will not say anything, because see, even if the amendment takes place, ultimately it is up to the discom state-run company. The wisdom will be ultimately entrusted to the state government, because the subject also is the state government. So ultimately we will take a call on that. So I will not comment anything about the amendment. Nothing of that sort. They should not misunderstand at all, because the subject, the federalism of the entire nation is always there. So they cannot encroach the authority of the state government. That's what I'm telling you. They should not worry about all this, because this one, it is not only for Meghalaya alone, it's not only MECL alone. Assam corporation is there. Every state, they do have the discoms under their control. So therefore, I would like to only tell them that they don't be panic. State government also is involved. And privatization, as I said to you, until unless the employees themselves wanted to do that, so through the state government, maybe we can do something. Otherwise, as I said to you, if you talk about this amendment, I think that is different issue altogether. I'm telling you, I don't stand here on behalf of the different states in India, but I'm here on behalf of the state government. That's what I'm telling you. We own this company. The state government owns this company. So in the first place, why should we privatize? That is my point. So therefore, well, even if the policy of the central government is like that, nobody can stop it, but the state government can stop it.
Halor kajing syakhin klot ke Meghalaya Energy Power Generation Corporation Limited MEPGCL ulang baga Sorkar kadang yele benwengi jinge nagani ke bynta trikam.
Yes, we are struggling to come out of this crisis. I think you knew it well, being the media, being the press, you knew it well that we have a lot of liabilities, we have a lot of outstanding, where we need to, ultimately bail it out by the state government. We are doing that, and now, as I said to you, some reformation starts taking place. That's why recently the cabinet has already agreed that we should appoint a pure technocrat person to head the MECL. Cabinet, the government has already agreed, and the process of appointing this technocrat has just started. So we'll wait maybe for few more months. We will ultimately appoint, bringing in a technocrat, and I'm sure by doing this, we will be able to resolve these issues. And ranking poorly is not only Meghalaya. You need to understand that. See, in the northeastern states, almost all the states, we are being treated poorly. We are being considered as poor performance state as far as discom is concerned. So now, as I said to you, as far as Meghalaya is concerned, we are trying our best to improve it. That's why, as I said to you, we realize one thing, that all these years, we never realized one issue, and that issue is bringing in a professional to head the corporation. But this time we realize it. Therefore, the government has taken a very, very toughest decision that we will bring in a technocrat to run the corporation.